Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm your Tecno model supports fast charging and has the latest firmware. Plug the original charger and cable into a known good wall outlet. Make sure connectors are clean and undamaged. If charging fails, swap the cable with a verified fast charge cable to isolate the accessory. Once done, reboot the phone to clear temporary faults and immediately watch the charging icon and percent behavior to see if the phone reports fast charging. You now focus on software causes. Go to Settings and enable any fast charge or high current options. Make sure battery saver is off. Force stop heavy apps and clear recent tasks so background processes don't throttle current. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps interfering with charging negotiation. Also check USB configuration, set to charging not data transfer. Make note of temperature warnings. Thermal protection will reduce charging speed if the phone is hot. You finish with hardware verification. Inspect and gently clean the USB-C port using compressed air and a non-metal pick. Lint can prevent fast charge pins from connecting. If cleaning fails, test with another official Tecno fast charger and a known good cable to confirm the phone's battery health. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset because software corruption can mimic hardware faults. If issues persist, take the phone to a service center. Charging IC or port repair may be required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.